بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ دنیا کا سب سے بلند پہاڑ کون سا ہے؟ What is the highest mountain in the world? What is the highest mountain in the world? Answer is Mount Everest. سب سے بڑی سمندر کی گہرائی کہاں پائی جاتی ہے؟ Where is the deepest ocean trench located? Where is the deepest ocean trench located? Answer is Mariana Trench. دنیا کا سب سے زیادہ آباد ملک کون سا ہے؟ Which is the most populous country in the world? Which is the most populous country in the world? Answer is India. سب سے بڑا صحرا کہاں واقع ہے؟ Where is the largest desert located? Where is the largest desert located? Answer is Antarctic Polar Desert. دنیا کا سب سے بڑا شہر کون سا ہے؟ What is the largest city in the world by population? What is the largest city in the world by population? Answer is Tokyo. سب سے قدیم دنیا کی تہذیب کہاں واقع تھی؟ Answer where was the oldest known civilization located? Where was the oldest known civilization located? Answer is Mesopotamia. دنیا کا سب سے بڑا دریا کون سا ہے؟ What is the longest river in the world? What is the longest river in the world? Answer is River Nile. سب سے زیادہ بولی جانے والی زبان کون سی ہے؟ What is the most spoken language in the world? What is the most spoken language in the world? Answer is English. दुनिया का सबसे कम आबादी वाला मुल्क कौन सा है? Which is the least populous country in the world? Which is the least populous country in the world? Answer is Vatican City. Vatican, Vatican City. सबसे ज़्यादा मुसलमान मुल्क कहाँ है? Which country has the largest Muslim population? Which country has the largest Muslim population? Answer is Indonesia. दुनिया का सबसे ज़्यादा रकबे वाला मुल्क कौन सा है? Which country has the largest land area in the world? Which country has the largest land area in the world? Answer is Russia. सबसे ज़्यादा करेंसी के नोट कहाँ प्रिंट होते हैं? Where are the most currency notes printed in the world? सबसे ज़्यादा करेंसी के नोट कहाँ प्रिंट होते हैं? Where are the most currency notes printed in the world? Answer is United States. दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी माइशत कौन सी है? Which is the largest economy in the world? Which is the largest economy in the world? Answer is United States. सबसे ज़्यादा ओलंपिक तमगे जीतने वाला मुल्क कौन सा है? Which country has won the most Olympic medals? Which country has won the most Olympic medals? Answer is United States. दुनिया का सबसे छोटा मुल्क कौन सा है? Which is the smallest country in the world? Which is the smallest country in the world? Answer is Vatican City. Vatican, Vatican City. سب سے زیادہ سطح سمندر سے بلند شہر کون سا ہے؟ Which is the highest city above sea level? سب سے زیادہ سطح سمندر سے بلند شہر کون سا ہے؟ Which is the highest city above sea level? Answer is La Paz. LAPAZ. دنیا کا سب سے بڑا جزیرہ کون سا ہے؟ Which is the largest island in the world? Which is the largest island in the world? Answer is Greenland. دنیا کی سب سے زیادہ آباد ریاست کون سی ہے؟ Which is the most populous state in the world? Which is the most populous state in the world? Answer is India. سب سے زیادہ دوری کا طیارہ کس نے تیار کیا؟ Which country developed the longest range aircraft? Which country developed the longest range aircraft? Answer is United States. دنیا کا سب سے طویل ٹرین روٹ کہاں واقع ہے؟ Which country has the longest train route in the world located? Which country has the longest train route in the world located? Answer is Russia.